All right, traders, this is Blake Morrow. You are listening to the daily Roundup webinar. I hope everybody's having a great trading session, and got to be really careful here. I saw a lot of people trying to fade this dollar move earlier today, and I think there's more juice left in it. One thing that I want to I know I talked about this during the morning edge, but I'm going to reiterate this, is if you guys have never seen yen pairs go tits up, it's crazy, because then you can see yen and dollars ripping together, especially if you get a little bit of risk off. Now, I know the NASDAQ just popped to highs. A lot of people think, and Jane was just in the chat room talking about that it's option related. I think Zero Hedge is making all sorts of hoopla about it. But the Dow just turned around and hit lows. Okay. The S&P is nearing lows, and look, we're not too far away from triggering some, lower lows. The NASDAQ looks like it, popped through highs and is rolling back over again. Okay. And if this continues, then what you're going to see, in my opinion, is a bigger sell-off in, oh shoot, hold on. I am adjusting my take profits. My take profits at 131. Not anymore. I'm actually gonna be targeting down here. We just broke that ascending trend line. Canadian yen, I'm still short. Looking good. Oh shoot, let me see where my 87. Let me adjust that really quick. Excuse me, guys. I'm going to do something really fast. Sorry, I've been doing interviews and stuff. We should not see back above 90.20. Okay. Let me make adjustment here. 87. Anyway, Canadian yen's imploding. Aussie yen is just absolutely getting destroyed. Aussie yen is nearing channel support. Shoot. Hold on. Sorry, guys. I was doing interviews with Mark Chandler and Bill Baruch, and are at 83.15, and channel support is near current levels. Be careful with shorts. This is how it works, guys. I hit push. You get an update. It says we're at 83.14 and channel support is near current levels. Careful with shorts, because earlier I was letting you guys know when we were at 83.50 that we're coming down to channel support. Channel support is like right here. So just kind of keeping you guys abreast of the moves. You can see that channel support here. But if we break these, it could get ugly. Let's take a look around here. So euro, we're at the 127% extension. We just took stops below 119. I'm looking for support down here at 118, roughly, by the time it's all said and done. I think we're consolidating. Cable, we're at the 618 retracement, should find some support here. Aussie, 200-day moving average. Kiwi, below 200-day moving average. Dollar Canadian, big resistance here at 123.80. God, I should almost pull everything off right now. The Canadian yen's at the 50-day moving average. I'm going to pull all my dollars off. I just closed some dollar Norway. Yeah, that was good. I'm going to go ahead and close that down, guys. I got out at 8.5620. 30. That's what exit. There you go. That's done. Let's take a look at that Aussie. Need to close that out. 200-day moving average. We're here. Closed Aussie US dollar shorts and US dollar longs. If you listen to the daily face webinars, I have closed Aussie US dollar shorts and US dollar longs from yesterday. Yeah. I'm going to keep my yen pairs though. I think the yen pairs have a lot more room to run. But you can see there's a, you know, okay. So anyway, I really think, I mean, look at the Swissy. Wow. I mean, that's a huge move, right? This US dollar Norwegian krona still looks bullish. The 200-day moving average is right here. I think we can, I'm going to try to buy it on a dip back to 850. Let me see. You can't write a fib or you can't draw a fib on this, but what I'm thinking here, What I'm thinking here is if we can get a dip back down to like maybe like 850, maybe even a little lower, maybe 847, because I don't know if this high is going to stick. I think it's going to stick, but what I'm assuming is going to happen from here, it's a little divergent intraday. We're probably going to see something like this, and then a consolidation, right? So, and I want to be long the US dollar, Norwegian krona, especially with crude oil starting to sell off. So I'm going to put a buy around the 845 level. That's what I'm thinking. If I can get it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it, but I'm going to try. So dollar mex has kind of been underperforming, which suggests that this equity market sell-off that we've seen may not persist just yet. But I'd still like to be long the dollar Mexican peso on a dip, maybe down to like 820 or 2020. Sorry, I'm still thinking US dollar, Norwegian krona. Let's see if we can get long somewhere down there. That's what I'm thinking. Not doing anything. And just so you guys, if you guys, just so you know, things change for me and my attitude towards the markets if we break through this low or this trend line here. Ascending wedge broken, things change. I will be really just full on selling commodity currencies and emerging market currencies, but we're not there yet. So that's why it does make sense to take a little bit of profits here and there. But with like these yen pairs, that's pretty, we're at a 38% retracement in the Canadian yen. I'm going to pull some of it off. Close half CAD yen short from 90-30 average. Close half euro yen short from 133.30 average. I'll keep the rest, but you just got to be a little careful, right? Okay. Anyway, I think I'm going to have to revisit this tomorrow. You look at some of these precious metals. I was talking to Bill Baruch from Blue Line Futures just a little bit ago. We'll have that interview out for you here in a minute. Look at silver at the 200-day moving average. Gold's well below the 200-day moving average, but we're at a 618 retracement. We should bounce around these levels, right? We should. Jason said, Blake, doesn't today's action confirm the Aussie dollar head and shoulders should head much lower? Also, tomorrow's options expiration remove this the spider's pin. Gamma will roll off, and I believe markets will correct. I think that's all. I think that's all well and good, and I think it's quite possible. But that doesn't mean you can't pull some off and reestablish those positions, right? Amira says all the COVID-19 stocks are up. Okay. Maybe because all the variants, I guess. I don't know. Alan says, thanks as always, Blake. You're welcome. And I'm glad to have you guys all here. Gavin says BOJ is overnight as well. Yeah, I'm not worried about the BOJ. I never worry about the BOJ because they don't do anything. But you know, if you're worried about it, yeah, pull some off. You know, lock in a little bit of profits. I think that they're probably happy with the yen weakness. So it's not like they're gonna be worried about that at all. So anyway, all right, guys. Hey, good luck today. I think today, you know, you take some profits, let them consolidate a little bit, and then hopefully we can reestablish our positions and you know, go at it from there. So thanks everybody. Hope you guys all have a great day, and thanks everybody for your support and tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow morning in the face webinar. I'll see you in the webinar. I'll see you in the chat rooms. All right. Ciao.